this problem can catch a lot of people out. Maybe you got a bit of text in a heading or a paragraph, and then because of the length of it, or depending on how wide your text or your div block or your flexbox container is, you go and get like an orphaned word or a few words that are going on to the next row. Now, it's really easy to do this, but I'm going to show you with the version 4 paragraph just so you get used to using custom CSS in Elementor version 4 atomic components. Here we got a paragraph element. You go down to style, you go down to custom CSS, and I'm going to drop this in text wrap, balance, semicolon. If this was a version 3 element, you would have selector, curly bracket open, same thing, text wrap balance, semicolon, then close the curly bracket. With Elementor version 4, it comes with this preset element.style wrapper, but you can see what it's done. And it basically means that if you've got quite a bit of text, rather than you now going, what word shall I remove? What word shall I add to make it fit on the number of rows or how it looks and I don't get orphaned text on the next row? Text wrap balance. That's how easy it is. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. You so have to sign up for our channel and go and join our Elementor website course. Take care. See you soon. Bye.